Hello everyone! If you're looking for the best electric string trimmer to help maintain your lawn and garden, our company has researched and tested numerous options to bring you the top-ranking choices available on the market. Electric string trimmers are a popular choice for homeowners due to their convenience, eco-friendliness, and ease of use. However, before making a purchase, there are several factors to consider, such as power, cutting width, weight, and durability. Our article provides expert insights and tips based on our extensive testing and research, helping you make an informed decision. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which topics you'd like to see in our next video. Number 5. TheBestFive. Compact size for easy to use and storage. Cordless design trimmer is always ready for working. Easy convert trimmer to edger. Adjustable 3-position pivoting head for optimum cutting position. Telescoping shaft for optimum cutting position. Adjustable loop handle for convenient operation. Geared motor delivers 7,800 RPM for faster cutting. Switch trigger and lock for safety. Battery level display for arranging working plan. Easy to change nylon strings and attachments. Special protector reduces risk. Battery-powered trimmer has several advantages over gas-powered and corded trimmers. It has zero emissions and reduced maintenance, with no need for gas or oil or cords. Number 4. Trimmer Garden. Unique 3 types cutting blade design, super sharp cutting speed, let you no longer have to worry about cutting the rope is entangled, broken, or need to repeat until the cutting line multiple times. Ideal for trimming garden, around yards, bushes, lots, flower beds, walkways, and patios. The length of the electric grass trimmer can be adjusted. The height is from 32 to 48 inch, suitable for people of different heights. No need to worry about the length being inappropriate. You can bring your child to mow grass. Enjoy a happy family time. Battery-powered lawn trimmer is only 3.7 pounds. It's quieter/safer than gas and more lightweight than the corded, so you can trim in tight, awkward spaces, or so you can edge in uneven terrain. This weed trimmer is perfect for arthritis patients weeding. Number 3. TheBestFive. Compact size for easy to use and storage. Cordless design trimmer is always ready for working. Brushless motor delivers 9,000 RPM for faster cutting and longer life. Easy convert trimmer to edger. Adjustable 4-position pivoting head for optimum cutting position. Telescoping shaft for optimum cutting position. Adjustable loop handle for convenient operation. Switch lock design for safety. Easy to change nylon strings and attachments. Special protector reduces risk. Battery-powered trimmer has several advantages over gas-powered and corded trimmers. It has zero emissions and reduced maintenance, with no need for gas or oil or cords. Number 2. U-Tools. Equipped with 2 special 21V battery operation lithium-ion batteries, equipped with high-performance motors with a maximum speed of 9,000 R/min, the battery has limited power protection. When you cut to a thick object like a stone, the current is too big and it will stop automatically to protect the motor and last longer. As a true lightweight, the grass trimmer is ergonomically designed and, at only 2.1 kg, particularly light. With a telescopic handle, it offers maximum safety and comfortable working regardless of body size. The new grass trimmer is equipped with a sliding support wheel that allows operation with a hand and is more convenient to use. Body size offers maximum safety and comfortable working. Number 1. Electric lawn mower. Lightweight body, a mowing tool that women can easily pick up. Ultra-low decibel noise reduction designed for quiet operation without disturbing neighbors. A new generation of stainless steel blades bid farewell to plastic sheets, and twigs can be repaired. The front anti-collision steel wire avoids the masonry surface of the mowing rope and reduces unnecessary mowing rope loss. Annular auxiliary armrest. The angle can be adjusted at 180 degrees so that it is easy to grasp and not tiring your hands. Comfortable auxiliary handle, comfortable grip, No hand rubbing. Position can be adjusted at will. Permanent magnet brushless, lighter and more compact, work more efficiently. The mowing speed is twice as fast as ordinary lawn mowers. Weeder adopts dual control design and double safety switch, which is safe and convenient to avoid accidental operation and cause unnecessary damage. Large capacity battery, long-lasting power storage, longer battery life to solve the trouble of no power. That just finished our video. Which one your favorite? Why not? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoy the video, give us like. If you want to see more high quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight into your mailbox. That way you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.